Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best Excel VBA books that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Excel VBA Programming for Dummies. Everyone uses Microsoft Excel, and to compete in this world, you need to keep up with your skill set. The work that you are doing should be done efficiently so that you can complete the tasks without wasting any effort and time. VBA is the language that you need to learn to ace Microsoft Excel. This book is targeted towards beginners, and you will get to learn a lot of concepts related to better Excel working. When you are working on a worksheet, there will be various tasks that you want to automate so that you don't end up missing any entries. This reference guide will try to cover all the necessary tools and features that you need to introduce yourself to. While you are writing codes on VBA, it's obvious that you will face some bugs and errors that are quite common with any programming language. Excel VBA Programming for Dummies will give you a thorough outlook on the possible errors and loopholes that you need to be aware of. The book will start with the VBA introduction and the basic working of the language. As you will move ahead with the topics, it will introduce you to some of the advanced topics like creating communication blocks and detailed guides on how to write the codes. Moving on at number 4, we have Excel VBA in Easy Steps. This is one of those books that are known for their to-the-point content. Though it is focused on the beginner-level audience, the guide can turn out to be quite helpful for professionals, as well. Mastering your MS Excel skills is a never-ending experience, and this book can turn into a big help. This guide will give you all the details on successfully implementing the VBA features and automation tools. This 192-page guide is written by Mike McGrath and is covering some of the very important topics, e.g., creating and customizing macros, recording macros, giving developers dynamic charts, etc. The easy language and absolutely no use of fillers are the primary reasons we have included this guide in this list. Learning VBA all by yourself isn't that easy as it sounds. However, with enough practice and thorough reading, this book can turn into a very helpful step towards a better understanding. The basic concept that VBA will serve is to allow you easy automation that you are doing manually yet. The book also contains attractive pictorial representations that will be a big contributor towards not making the VBA learning a boring task. The steps that are mentioned here also come with the actual screenshots so that you don't end up getting confused at any step. At number 3, we have Excel VBA Programming 4e 4th edition. This is the 4th edition in the series, and as expected, For Dummies is a series of books that's highly focused on beginners. There are various options that you can settle for, and if you have just started learning VBA, this programming guide is the best shot you can get. For beginners, the biggest concern is to get all the technical terms right. To meet this requirement, For Dummies offer a dedicated section to the glossary and all the functions related to MS Excel. The book will also offer you a very detailed step-by-step guide to record and edit the macros. You will also get all the relevant details to set the automation based on the range. VBA will make things quite easier for your work needs, and you will be able to add a good amount of efficiency to the workflow. The guide's content is in full sync with the 2016 version of MS Excel. The programs along with the samples that you will get here in this book can easily be downloaded from the Dummies web portal. The link will be provided right after the program. This will give you a bit of ease by providing you the code in text format that you can copy and paste into the compiler. At number 2, we have Excel 2019 Power Programming with VBA. As we already included in the list, this VBA guide is also a very comprehensive one. Here, you will find all the relevant details and info on this language. The book is for a professional audience who wants to revise any particular topic or try to find a solution while working on a project. The guide is also quite lengthy, and if you are looking for a book that can cover a majority of the topics, this is one of the best you can settle for. The content that you will get here is fully updated, and you will get a whole section dedicated to the necessary tips and tricks. The book is for the professionals who are into programming, and you will find it quite helpful in creating enhanced macros than the ones that you are making until now. The guide will also introduce you to the steps that you need to follow to add an email list. By enabling this feature, the email will be directly sent from Excel. The language used here is focused on providing the necessary info without filling it with any unnecessary info. The practical examples that are listed here are real life, and you will get to implement them in future projects. And finally, at number 1. VBA Automation for Excel 2019 Cookbook. Microsoft VBA is the programming language that is now widely used to make Excel tasks easier and quicker. The task that you are doing until now must consume a significant amount of time. However, you can fetch it drastically by implementing VBA programs. You can easily learn this particular language in no time if you are already using MS Excel. In the programs, you will need to write the formulas and functions that you are already using. The book will cut everything short, and by implying this, readers will be able to keep a very precise focus on the important aspect. Mike Van En starts with a VBA introduction and demonstrates all the features and use cases in detail. The introduction part is so comprehensive in itself that right after completing it, readers will be able to start working on the macros. You will be able to record and edit them without any issue. The book will also have a dedicated section where you will find all the technical terminology, functions, procedures, etc. The automation process can be easily done by taking some help from sheet ranges. The guide will also give you a detailed section on troubleshooting the errors. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.